Hello students, good evening. Students, we are already seen chapter number 3, chapter number 3 and in that there is session number 3 which is formatting the document. We are already seen this chapter theoretically in class. Now I am going to show you practically how to do formatting over your document, means over your MS Word. Okay, we are going to see it practically. So let's proceed further with the contents and with the practical of this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter, that is formatting the document, in this session we are going to see, as I discussed with you earlier in class as well, we are going to see how to apply text style, common text formatting tools, changing text case, applying superscript, applying subscript which I have not mentioned over here, applying font color, highlighting text, paragraph formatting tools, and paragraph page formatting tools. So these are the things we are going to see in this chapter. So let's proceed with practically with the first point, that applying text size or applying text, sorry, it is not a size, it is a style. So how to apply a text style, this point we are going to see within this chapter. Even as I told you, we are going to apply text style automatically using word style, and we are going to remove, and how to remove that style manually, we are going to see that as well. Okay, on all these things we are going to see practically. So this one is my word file which I have already created. These are the notes of chapter 7th class. Okay, so in this chapter here, as I told you, the first point over here that we want to see is applying text style. So as I told you, that if you want, now here you can see this is the formatting which is done manually by me, that is bold, and I apply different kinds of font, different kind of size. Okay, so if I want to want any other type of style which is available in my Word document, so what for that, what I have to do, I have to go in a home tab. After going in a home tab, you are here in style group. In style group, here you will get number of forms of text style. Here there are number of forms of text style. So whichever you want, you can select that style, but before that, select the text. After selecting the selecting the text, go in home tab, go in a style group. After that, whichever formatting you want, here you can see, as I am going on different formatting, that is quiet, then intensive quiet, here heading 1, heading 2. So these are different kinds of formatting. This one is the title. So whichever I want, what I have to do, just I have to click over here. I have to just click over here, like I have clicked over here, and you can see that my page style or my text style has been changed from the manual formatting to the computerized formatting or a word formatting. Now if I want to remove manual formatting, now I will do Ctrl Z to show you guys that how to remove manual formatting. So if you want to remove manual formatting, what you have to do, just in home tab, in style group, you have to click on this arrow. See properly where I am going, just click on an arrow. After clicking on an arrow, at the bottom, second option you will get to see here, that is clear formatting. Which option? As I told you in class, if you want to remove a formatting, a manual formatting from your text, where you have to click on clear formatting, and your formatting, you can see it is removed. Okay, the formatting of your text has been removed. So in this way you can remove the formatting from your text. Okay, so I'm again doing Ctrl Z for further explanation. Now the next point from the chapter, that is common text formatting tools. Which are the common text formatting tools? As I told you, that how to change a font size, bold, italic, and underline. So these are the common formatting tools. So you might have seen them in lower classes as well. I have dictated towards you. Now we are going to see it once again. So let's go in Word document. After going in Word document, now first point over here is changing font. Now suppose now this one is the text. Okay, I am selecting this text, this much text, and I want to change its font. Now it's now you can see the font is Times New Roman in a home tab. To go in font group, and here there are shortcuts. Just go over here, this one is the font. Here whichever font you want, just click on this arrow. Okay, by I have selected here Times New Roman. If you want any other font, you can go over here, select the font, like I am selecting this one or this one. Okay, I have selected a font. or any other font which you want, just you can scroll down from this with the help of this mouse. Okay, just scroll down with the help of a mouse, and after that whichever font you want, you just select that from font from here. Like I want this one, and you can see that my font has been changed. Now next one is if I want to change the font size. So I have already selected a text. I want now font size. So here I will go here near font, there is a font size option. Everyone knows very well that font size option is available. So whichever font size I want, suppose I want 14, I've selected 14, and you can see that the font size has been decreased. Now next one is bold, italic and underline. Now my text is already in bold, but if I want to change it, now I will select this text, or I will select this below text. Now this one is also in bold, I am selecting this one. Okay, I have selected this one. Now I want to make this text bold. So what I have to do, just click over here on B, and it will be in bold form. If I want my text in italic, I will select this second one. I have selected this second one, and I am clicking on I. It's now in italic form. I told you what is bold and italic. And if I want underline below any of the word or any of the sentence, just have to select that word or a sentence, and I have to just go over here in home, in font group, there is U written in written at the right of I, that is italic in the just at the right place of italic, there is U which has an underline. It is used for underline, and whichever form of underline you want, you can select it from here, and you can see that the underline has been applied to your text. So in this way you so these are the common text formatting tools, that is font size, bold, italic and underline. And shortcuts of these I have dictated in class. Okay, that is for bold there is Control B, for I there, for italic there is Control I, and for underline you can use Control U to give underline using shortcuts from the keyboard. Now let's proceed further with the next point, that is changing text case. As I told you in class that there are different text case. मैंने आपको बोला था कि सेंटेंस केस एक होता है, एक लोअर केस होता है, अपर केस होता है, कैपिटलाइज ईच वर्ड होता है, टॉगल केस होता है. तो ये चेंज टेक्स्ट केस हम कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये क्यों लगता है हमें. तो क्या होता है ना, द चेंज केस टूल अलाउस यू टू चेंज case of the sentence or case of the text. Okay, so for this purpose we are using this type of formatting, that is changing text case. मतलब जो भी अपना text हमने लिखा हुआ है in like this one is the text, we have written this text, तो इसका अगर हमें अगर changes करना है इसके अंदर, तो हमें क्या करना होगा, इसके text के अंदर अगर changes करना है तो हमें change text case ये formatting use करना होगा. So how to use that? For that what you have to do, as I told you that every time you have to select text when you are doing formatting. After selecting text, now you will get the option of change case in a home tab. कहाँ मिलेगा? In a home tab, in a font group, and in font group there is a change case option. As I told you, this one is a change case option over here. So this one is a change case option over here. With the help of this change case option, you can apply different kind of text case to your text. Like here if I go in sentence case, I told you sentence case में क्या होता है, जैसा sentence है वैसे ही दिखता है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हर एक word capital है, तो sentence case में क्या होगा, sentence case in that the first alphabet of a word, the starting word is capital and others are small. So here now there is, so this one is already in sentence case format. Now the next one is a lower case, in which all the alphabets are in smaller size. Okay, or all the alphabets are smaller. Then next one is a upper case. So all the alphabets over here are in upper case, मतलब capitalize each word. Then next one is capitalize each word means every word is capital in upper case. Every alphabet within a word is capital in upper case. Next one is capitalize each word. As I told you in classroom as well, that capitalize each word means in a word, if the first alphabet will be in capital format and other alphabets will be in small format. So let's apply them. So you can see the first alphabet is capital, others are small. First is capital, others are small. Okay. Then last one is toggle case. As I told you, in toggle case, what is there? In a word, the first alphabet, in every word, the first alphabet is small and others are capital. So in this way we can apply text case to our data, our text which is in word, our the type text, जो text हमने type किया है, that text we can convert to different cases with the help of text case formatting. Now next one is apply superscript. Now apply superscript and apply subscript. Next type over here is apply superscript, and as well we will consider here subscript as well. Subscript जैसे मैंने बोला था, at the base the number is number is in decreasing order, and in it is in the raised to form. In superscript, the number or a word in is in a increasing order. Like here there is a 7th class. Okay, I will select the 7th, and after selecting a 7, this one is a subscript, this one is a subscript. So I will click over here. You can see it has gone at the top it has gone at the top. Okay, and here this 9 I will make it a subscript, so it will come at the base. So you can see now it is at the base. Now this number is at the base. So in this way you can apply. This one is a superscript, that is in the form of raised to, and here this one is a subscript, it is in the form of a base. Okay, base means it comes downside and it goes upside. Okay, in superscript. Now next one is changing font color. Next point over here is changing font color. Okay, so how to change the font color? You all know how to change the font color. Just you have to select a text. After selecting a text, what you have to do? You have to go in a home tab, go in a font group, and here you will get a font color. Here just see the arrow where I am placing. Here you will get the color that is by default red. If you want some other color, you have to click on this arrow for more font colors. After clicking on arrow, you can get here theme colors, and here are the standard colors. Whichever you want you can select. Even you can go in more colors as well as in gradient as well. So in gradient there are shades of red, so this one is one of the shade. Then if you want to go in more colors, so here are many different colors. So here there is a standard one, and this one is a customized. So I want pink, I am selecting pink, and which shade I want to select it from here, and okay. So here in this way I can use I can give font color, or I can apply font color to my text. Now next point over here is highlighting text, which is the next point from the chapter, from the session, that is highlighting text. So how to highlight the text? Now this one is chapter number 9, using email service. I want to highlight this text. Simply what you have to do for highlighting text? Now this one, in a home tab, you have to go in a font group, and you have to use a highlighter, whichever color you want for highlighting. Likewise you can see on whichever color I am moving, that color is getting applied on my text which I have selected, and it is getting highlighted. In the same way you highlight text in your notebook with the help of marker. So I am using yellow color, and my text has been highlighted with yellow color. Okay, in this way you can highlight your text. Now next type of formatting is paragraph formatting. Next type of formatting is paragraph formatting tools. Okay, so in paragraph formatting tools we are going to see how to align paragraph, how to set line spacing, how to set intent, how to set paragraph spacing, how to paragraph dialog box, applying border, applying shading or background color, inserting bullets and numbers. So let's see them one by one. So in paragraph formatting tools we are going to first see the first type of formatting, that is aligning text. So here is my text. Now this one is a text. I am going to select it. Now you can see in home tab, for aligning your text to left, right, center or justify, you have to go on a home tab, click on a paragraph group, and you have to, but before that you have to select a text, and here you can find shortcuts for alignment. That this one is left, then center. By default sorry, I have selected here center. Now next one is right and justify. So if I want here left, I will select left. my text has went to left. Then if I select center, it is in center now. Right, it is at the right position, and this one is a justify. So justify I will show you on. I have selected the text with the help of shortcut key Control A, and this one is a justify alignment. So in this way, now you can see, as I told you, in justify alignment, the left side and the right side are in a proper order. The statement, the text is in proper order. Okay, so in this way you can align your text. Then next point from paragraph formatting is setting line spacing. How to set the line spacing? Now you can see that this one is a first line, this one second, third, fourth. Okay, so there are many lines. Now I want to apply a line spacing between them. Just I will do Control A, and here in home tab, in paragraph group, near alignment, there is a line spacing option. Here you have to click on an arrow. After clicking on arrow, whichever line spacing you want, you can select it from here, and you can see that how much gap has been increased between every line. So in this way you can apply line spacing in your MS Word. Now after line spacing, next one is the just I will do Control Z over here. Now after line spacing, next point over here is setting intent. Setting intent, as I told you in classroom as well, they are used to what is meant by setting intent? Setting intent means the empty space which is left between the text and the margin is called an इंटेंट. ओके, तो ये जो आप वाइट स्पेस दिख रहे हो ना, इसे हम इंटेंट कहते हैं. सो वेयर आर द इंटेंट प्लेस इन होम टैब. ओके, सो इन होम टैब इन पैराग्राफ ग्रुप, हियर अबाउट दिस लाइन स्पेसिंग, there are two forms of intent. One is increasing and one is decreasing. So I will show you with the shortcut. Just if I click over here, you can see that my intent is increasing. Okay, now if I want to decrease it, so in this way my intent means the paragraph spacing is decreasing. In this way my left paragraph spacing is increasing. Okay, so in this way I can decrease it. Okay, now next, after setting intent, next one is setting paragraph spacing. Now here we have set the line spacing. We have seen how to set the line space. Now we want to see that how to set a paragraph, how to do setting of a paragraph. Okay, how to do setting of a paragraph. So how we can do it? Just for that, here the option is not available in my Word, because it is different than Windows 2000, Microsoft 2007, and I am having different Word format. So I will go in paragraph, and here intent, and in here what I have done, just I went in home tab, in paragraph group I have clicked on an arrow. After clicking on an arrow, here there is an option spacing. So here there are two options, that is before and after. So before, how much points, here you can see the changes, that this paragraph spacing is increasing. Okay, in after, just you can see that it is going lower. So here and here, this one, so here, okay, so here you can see that this paragraph space over here has been increased. If I do Control A, again I will go in paragraph group, in spacing, and here you can see that my spacing is getting increased. So in this way I can set my paragraph. So in this way we can do paragraph setting, or we can use space between each and every paragraph. Okay, so I'm just doing here Control Z. So this one is my Control Z for getting my actual text. Okay, this one is my actual text. Okay, after this, now next option over here, or next point from this, is applying border. How to apply border? Now you can see over here that I have applied a border to my text, to my paragraph. I have applied a border over here. So how to apply a border on a page? Okay, on a page, how to apply a border? Simply what you have to do, you have to select a text. You have to select a text, or no need to select the text. Simply you have to go in a home tab. Okay, and in home tab, in paragraph group, here you will find border option. So this one is a border option. Just click on the arrow. Here you will get many options like bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border. Here you will get many options. For for applying border to your paragraph. But if you want a border or a shading, if you want a border on your page, simply what you have to do, you have to go in a border. After going in a border, select a box. After selecting a box, whichever line style you want, you have to select that style. Like I want this one, I have selected it. If you want any of the color, you can select the color as well from here. Like I want here this one dark blue, and here the weight should be 1. Okay, 1 point, and say okay. So here my paragraph spacing, here it came on a it came on a paragraph. If I want to give spacing to my text, if I want a page border, simply again go in a border and shading, and in border and it's for paragraph. This one is a paragraph spacing. Border spacing is different, I will tell you afterwards. In same way we are doing it. Now next one is how to apply shading or background color. Now how to apply a shading or background color to your page or to your paragraph. Okay, how to apply a shading color to your paragraph. So simply what you have to do, first you have to select your paragraph. Now this one is a paragraph. After selecting a paragraph, go in a home tab, in paragraph group, and here near border you will get here shading. Near border you will get here shading. Just click on this arrow, and after clicking on arrow, here you can see that as we have used highlighter on a text, in the same way we can use highlighter on our paragraph as well. So here I have given a highlighter on my paragraph. In this way you can highlight your paragraph. You can apply a shading on your paragraph. Now the next and the last point from here is inserting bullets and numbers. How to insert a bullets and numbers. Okay, I have inserted here numbers and bullets already, but I will remove them for your understanding. Just I am removing them. Numbers here, I have given numbers to fill in the blanks, but for your understanding I am removing them. Now I want to apply here what I want to apply. I want to apply here bullets and numbers. First I will apply bullets, after that I will apply a number. But before that, what I have done, I have selected a text. After selecting a text, you have to go in home tab, and here from here in paragraph group you have to go at the top, and here you will find bullets. After finding a bullets, just click on an arrow. After clicking on arrow, here you can see that there are different forms of bullets. So whichever form of bullet you want, you click over it, and you can see that it has been applied over here. In the same way, if you don't want bullets, you want numbering, simply what you have to do, just here near bullets there are numbering. As I told you in class that there are 5 forms. Whichever form you want, you select that form, and the numbering will be applied on your text. But before that, you have to select a text. Okay, so in this way we can do formatting on our paragraph. Okay, so I hope you understood that how to do paragraph formatting. Now next point we are going to learn, that one is a page formatting tools. So guys, here we have completed 4 sessions from the chapter. Total sessions which we are having in this chapter are 6. So from that we have completed 4 sessions, session 1, 2, 3 and 5th practically, and tomorrow in class we will see session number 4 and session number 6. After doing the revision or after seeing them theoretically, after that I will send you the video on those both the session. I got little bit late while sending you this while sending you these videos, because these topics were too large. The chapter number 3 was too large, that's why I got late to send the video to you guys. So I hope that all of you, without getting bored, will watch the videos on both the session. They are required for you guys, because everything I have taught over there practically, and it is necessary for you. So please watch the video, don't ignore any of the point from this. Okay, so thank you guys.